Hey everybody, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to the REIT investing case study on this channel. This is a real estate investing fund where we build out a real estate fund 100% and we grow it. And I kind of basically show you guys everything I'm doing. I show you guys all the stocks and ETFs I'm buying. I show you guys all my earnings. And yeah, this is a live case study that we're doing every single week. Every single week I upload a video to the channel, and I basically deposit around $100 in every single week. And if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel and you guys want to follow this and see how I'm doing here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. It helps the video a lot when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. So here's my personal account here where we have a REIT invested with Wealthsimple Trade. I'm using Wealthsimple Trade, and we have $493. I have a $100 pending deposit, so realistically this account should have about, I want to say, about $600. Looking at our stats from the past week or so, we are down, when it comes to one day, we are down $6. That's negative 1% the past day. And if you notice the past little while, like things have, just like with stocks, REITs have been going up and down a lot. However, I've noticed that REITs have kind of recovered a little bit and they're not down as much as stocks. So that's kind of interesting. It seems to be rebounding, at least for now. We'll see in the future what happens with everything going on. But you know, they seem to be a little bit more stable for now. After 1 week, we're down negative 1%. And 1 month we are down 21%, and all time we are down still 21%. So down $100 in this portfolio. My dividend portfolio is I'd say down about the same, a little bit more maybe, but pretty close. So that's our portfolio, and that's how it's looking by the numbers. Here's our ETFs and different stocks we have here. So we have ZRE, XRE, VRE, REIT, and then this is, I think this was RioCan. Yeah, RioCan is what we bought last week. It was recommended by, I think I just picked it. A few people recommended it over the past couple of weeks, so I decided to look into it. And I decided to pick up single shares of the stock, even though we're mostly picking ETFs for this portfolio. Like all my other portfolios, I still think ETFs are the best way to do it. And these three here are our base, because I think REIT is First Asset Canadian. Oh no, this is an ETF too. Okay, cool. So we do have four ETFs and then one single stock here for now. And this week, what I'm going to be doing with my $100 is I'm just going to be topping up all my ETFs. All these ETFs, I'm just going to kind of split it up across these evenly and just invest back in. And then maybe like next week, since we did just buy a single stock, I think for the next couple weeks we will just focus on ETFs. Maybe I'll pick up a new ETF. We'll see how things go. And keep in mind, like, these are all Canadian REITs for now. I'm focusing on the Canadian real estate market, but I might be expanding at some point. But I think Canadians make the most sense for now, and they're really cheap, so you can buy a lot of them, get a lot of shares, and then you get that dividend income going. Now, the one thing I wanted to make sure with this portfolio was to get that monthly dividend income coming in, like kind of mimic as if we were landlording kind of stuff. As if we bought a property, you know, we were renting it out to people. But the plus side with REITs is you don't have to actually manage anything. So we're basically getting money like passively. All we have to do is stick our money in, and we're earning income. So that's the main thing of this portfolio. And the funny thing about it is, like, if you think about what's going on right now, how there's a lot of people without work, a lot of landlords and renters are in a rough spot. I don't really know what's going on in terms of like how people are really doing, because I'm not a part of it myself. It's not my situation, which I'm fortunate for. But I think a lot of people are having trouble with that, and they're kind of waiting on that money to come from the government. So if you're a landlord or renter, might be a little bit like the future might be unknown. And when you're a landlord and you got to pay off a mortgage and stuff like that, this is how I think like REITs are beneficial, because you don't have to pay a mortgage, you don't have to deal with any of that stuff. Like, let's say you're investing in REITs and you just have no money this month, then you just don't invest any money. You still get paid. You know, you don't have to pay a mortgage or nothing. You don't get any penalties or nothing. There's no you know, you're not in debt and stuff and anything like that. So this is why I really like this approach. And the cool thing about this approach is you don't need any money. You don't need that much money, really. Like, you see, we started this with only about $500 or $600 after about the first month and a half. It's been maybe 2 months now almost since doing this case study, and we're already making income. Speaking of which, I'm going to take a peek at our dividends that we got for this portfolio. So let's go to activity here in Wealthsimple Trade. We'll filter it out, and we're going to go to dividends, and we'll see here. I got to filter the dividends even more here since it's got to be by portfolio. So we'll go into personal account, which is my real estate one. You can see here we have 3 dividends so far. So we got the first one in ZRE was in March 9th, so that was a little while back. And then we got XRE, and then we got REIT. So nice 50-cent dividend. So in total, I think I wrote this down in my spreadsheet. Let me just bring this up here. It was $1.29. So our first real month investing in REITs, we made $1.29 off of about $500 to $600 invested. So that's not too bad when you think about it, right? Like if you think about like a traditional mortgage, I don't know what the math is on that and stuff like that, but hey, we're already making money. We're already, investing in real estate, and it hasn't taken a lot for us to get started. So every single week, once again, we're putting more and more money in, and we're just kind of spreading it out. We're kind of diversifying, and we're kind of trying to build out that portfolio. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And the other cool thing is, let me know what you guys are thinking is going to happen. Like, what's your opinion on REITs as opposed to being a landlord? Do you find a benefit to either one? Obviously, right now, like times are a little bit weird, so there's that influence. But let me know what you guys think about that. Let me if you guys are investing in REITs and stuff like that, let me know what ones you guys are buying. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know how your stock portfolios are doing. And yeah, that's just a quick little update today, guys. I want to let you guys know how I'm doing. I'm not buying any new ETFs or any real estate stocks, so I'm not really diving into any analysis or anything like that. Just want to do a quick little update on the portfolio. I got a bunch of videos coming up in the next little while, so stay tuned for that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys later.